Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join
right, Jama Repakaba and Famra Kumawood Television, Jumedi Atudi CDP. And then the 5th of May 2020. So training say Namia Duma 240 days Ebekahua na and this year. Ebuso ye din komo and they that na see sinkonya na yadin on my Ghana. Someone would wa edia kotene e my Ghana no benyamre na yetumi edi ehun enkomo ene awie e Kumawood Television. Ibenyamre na yesin 7p a chete se no se de etie e wo my Ghana. Na nei unim say on the 12th of March and yare coronavirus no Oman Ghana recorded a first case of the coronavirus infections Oman Ghana. I dare say Ministry of Information led by Honorable Kojo Ponkroma, Asia Secretary for Etichimu, said the Yareno, AC Aircro, any Amboa, a buying, and then impeding for us no air, and the 3 Areno Assi. And then also, I dare say, press briefing will be Akoso. Now, so far, the impeding 42 dry knee, our motive say, Yareno, qua and air cononym, qua and air cononym. Now, notwithstanding that, no. Maybe also the work when more as a Yariano, a bit to me about form. Honorable Kweku Ajiman, Minister of Health, and they Okasano, and same you know Kaya, and whom here pano, and they say, so per se, one casa, who moving and count. The United Subu, Uncle Bia one thing, Uncle Bia crew, now a kiss crew, no, and here pa. Sounds so now, only to just say. Routine surveillance any ho ne meka ho no aboa ama enei ono wanya bi nyina no testing nso guso a ekoso in Ghana nipa no a enye yare ni bi no say ye the new cases beka ho 550 no eka ho a 18 afrim na say ehu ba but 18 no the good news na eka ho no say omo no de omo underlying health conditions na say omo pomuden no bu ha no yare ba ko mienu miensa bi eka ho eno no emwa ntino yare ne che no na bia na ade no ko na so far ye obe 294 Ghanaians omunya coronavirus ni bia eni gete no so mo ato mo a omo so no omo akoka abusua ehun ebenyamre na yetumi edi nkomo on the COVID-19 the novel coronavirus eni omo US kwa no ahyase a omo akwaje besia se de be ombetumi edi aboa na US economy no ebetumi asajan na so bio we do Korea si nyina globally 3,671,611 ena enya yare no ebie na out of this figure no be 38% omo a omo ye US for omo mawu 253,332 ene omo a yare COVID-19 eku omo ewo wiase nyina omo ato omo so no 1,211,178 ene wona nyame adom omo ato omo sankrofo ni bi Ghana for Ghana de no 294 omo so eka ho ena ene omo ato omo ewiase nyina no oman a edi animu lead with this COVID-19 yare no US of A Donald Trump ni krom ho omo ene lead a omo de no deewosoro pa 1,213,863 death no 69,968 omo a omo wu ye tell us yedin komo yi records e ho no and then the new infections just in a day 1,028 US ufiwa na ba Spain na eba enei China nanka every day twem a month ago na omo eledi na China yare no omo to so 11th globally we are seeing omo to so du ba kon ewo with 82,881 for 24 hours I mean odin komo yi ba kon na yare no wanya bi 4,633 and so ena yare no omo so no omo atumi afrimu afri yas nti yare na ehu enoti ya tena de benyamre na aboso kakra na edin komo efi tena kono ya de FDA for so be fi ha na the nose mask no ya di hon komo ahwe kwampa be fa so a ebetumi ayusu ni yie na atumi aboy nyina ama akofa ha bi entumi amfa amaye ye no firi ho a His Excellency the former president John Dramani Mahama last week or a digital conversation live on Facebook now ne Ghana for din komo yare ya bay ne kwa befa so a betme tu yare nase or the to Ghana for nim say enche o ba be kire e kwampa o se fa so a yare na kiri no o man no ho enche yen asamba ko kan ya na emudru ene say within a month yare yi ba ye no I say Ghana mpanimfo Orak no Furiata Air Finance Minister edano papa yi kire say economy no as niam edam ko yisa ama eni yakọ IMF ekoje 1 billion US dollar so mo mfa me so yase no mo mfa mo wae era mo penda da Mahama kan se da bi saa de no de se koso a na je se ende no economy no is in critical condition pa was intensive care before you see no economy no yare ya nso no mu ye be akrakra no ye nyesi kan fan twedi me foka Ghana mampania bi de chiri His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Bawumia enrada ono so ene Ghana for edi nkomo after say COVID-19 response team ekushia ye no ko bi nbi kwa be fa hele betumi akoro oni Ghana for edi nkomo ono so to be edi ama Ghana mampania da John Dramani Mahama sakenkan ene woni mu a onkenkan okasan so a onfa facts and figures and fambra we yakna si benyamre na yetumi yedi no so ho nkomo e wo fidiem ha medin ede se Mike ne yentra kopum se 6:30 ebe bo a ebe sore so ma kwan ama ho so adwe nche no watumi ede aba so wo hwe screen no mu a WhatsApp messages no obetumi dia fa line na da so no fa na fa messages no fa so e fa bra yem fa seda em fa ma Anolin Royal Enterprise we say e bibia ye enwonto tumi to nyuma ne ye bra na onto bi fa ma instrument bia no yisu na sorry demo yisu nja bo asibia no bo beton bi dia ma sanso na kafefe capsules emema ene ema mo group akon a eboa mo amotumi atom ene kafefe capsules nsamwa Ghana mampanin dada John Dramani Mahama kan ya enam so ama ne yete die mampanin abedi achi enso ede aba no yenko ne wonkoti ewia ibeto mampanin abedi achi enso de no afi ebefi na yasane abedi enko
land of this pandemic. When we close the chapter on the year 2019 and we welcome 2020 with the usual fanfare and jubilation, we could not have predicted that so early into the year, almost every aspect of our life will be so profoundly affected by a global pandemic that has brought countries on every continent to their knees. But the signs were on the wall. Our schools are closed. Our churches and mosques are shut down. Some of our markets are closed or heavily regulated. Our movements have been curtailed, and anxiety has become a palpable reality of our daily lives. Guided by our very recent experience in our sub-region, the effect of this virus in many ways is like the Ebola virus that ravaged our West African neighbors, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea, a few years ago. I recall at the time there was a clear thought in mind when I stood before the United Nations and also Westminster to galvanize support for our neighbors who were suffering. I stated that Ebola was a virus that compromised our impulse of touch and closeness to comfort our loved ones who were infected. I mentioned that Ebola was a disease of isolation, and worse, it left many survivors ostracized and stigmatized. Care and affection are basic human traits, and when a virulent disease such as Ebola makes it impossible to show care and affection to our relatives, to our friends and loved ones, not even to get close or hug them, it is a most strange and difficult proposition. Sadly, these unfortunate developments are playing out before our very eyes with the current coronavirus disease. This is exactly when our brothers in Nigeria in February became the first in our sub-region to report a case of the coronavirus, I immediately called for an aggressive preventive measure to be put in place so that the disease does not spread into Ghana. We all hoped and prayed that this will not happen, but it was not to be. But now that it's here, we owe it to the people of Ghana to ensure that every attention, every decision, every human and material resource should be aimed solely at stopping the spread of the virus. We must manage cases to ensure speedy recovery and continue to have and build a secure and united country at the end of it all. In all these, my thoughts have also been on the state of our country after the pandemic. How different will our world and our country, Ghana, look from the world that we have known before? No country, nobody will go back to business as usual. In the coming days, I look forward to hosting further digital conversations on how we can rebuild our country, Ghana, and prepare it for the changes that are to come. I'll work with you all to prepare our country, Ghana, for the new world which will emerge after this pandemic. For now, however, my brothers and sisters, I trust that you're doing well and that you're staying safe and that you're taking the necessary steps to prevent yourselves and your families from getting infected with this deadly virus that we have to battle with. Staying safe no matter what is what we must all strive to do. Because as you may have also heard, in the model government is working with, the projection is that up to 3 million Ghanaians may be infected by the virus. And a significant number will require hospitalization or may even die from the virus. In his last address to the country, the President, Nana Akufo-Addo, lifted the partial lockdown imposed on Greater Accra, Greater Kumasi, and their environs, and Kaswa. At the time the country was recording increasingly higher infections, it was therefore not surprising that many Ghanaians, including public health experts, were puzzled about the considerations underlying the President's decision. The number of infections are not only rising steeply, but there's also clearly a horizontal community spread of the virus.
Right. Indeed, the Koshi Nsemwa, His Excellency, the former President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, edited last week, digital conversation, a course now in Ghana for 18 komo. And then some kind, you know, be an umpire, and they say, who said the Kasam near my secret. Say, IMF now for the Bessiadia, I have a discover here. Now I say, I'm here. It will be released Kasam not better. It's 1 penny and a pound from home. Now, the propaganda, I do match it. Now, Yariwi, I suppose you. The audit to Jano, it be enono. Now, I don't reply. And Dr. Alhaji Ahmad Bamia, and so at the Abreno. You could see the Vice President, so a kind and my bar, with your fortune, the best now, Edinco.
If you want to test the robustness of an economy, you test it in a time of crisis. Thankfully, we have had 2 crises. Under the NDC, there was an internally generated crisis, which was Dumso. Under the presidency of Nana Akufo-Addo, there has been an externally generated crisis, which has been the global coronavirus pandemic. I just want you to ask yourselves, how have these 2 crises been managed? The Dumso crisis, which crippled this economy for 4 years. What were the mitigating measures offered to businesses and individuals during Dumso? This was an internally generated crisis. We saw that even during Dumso, electricity prices were being increased. Fuel prices were being increased. Teacher training allowances were being cancelled. Nursing training allowances were being... All of that was happening during that particular crisis. You look at the coronavirus crisis and you look at the difference in terms of what has happened. The President has reduced electricity prices, made it free for lifeline consumers, has given free water for all Ghanaians for 3 months, has made sure that there is a stimulus package of 600 million Ghana cedis for businesses. And we have seen domestic production of PPEs, personal protective equipment for our health workers locally. So the difference couldn't be more stark between the leadership under a crisis under Dumso and that under the coronavirus epidemic. So I ask a simple question. Who will you trust in a time of crisis? The answer, I would say, is very, very clear. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has shown leadership and concern for ordinary Ghanaians. If you want to test the robustness of an economy, you test it in a time of crisis. Thankfully, we have had two crises. Under the NDC, there was an internally generated crisis, which was Dumso. Under the presidency of Nana Akufo-Addo, there has been an externally generated crisis, which has been the global coronavirus.
Yes, I'm Kwaba from Sinupi on Kumawood Television. The Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahamadou Bawumia, was saying why ena Ghana for Bejinedi wabra omana kwa huhiemu. Dumso under John Dramani Mahama na eyomayi mu ankasa. COVID-19 wiase nyina. Enso dwumadia wampani na nanda Akufo-Addo edi no. Esombo esen John Dramani Mahama edie wampani dada. Eno nti Ghana for waseda bia yemfa enna Ghana mampani na yen kanche Ghana mampani dada Mahama se ontrefi. Well, ibenyamre na yedi nkobo. Ene yankoma twetwe no hapa ena ejina. Whom do you trust in times of crisis? Jake Azantilo, a NDC Ashanti Regional Communication Team member. Jake Akwaba.
Ya ni amini.
Bako de.
Oh, yo ho adum. Ekade aka.
O se tie kama. O wa efepa.
Medase. Amemu boni ni ntinti aya na kwamu ne de nti. Adure bi no amia wani a. Wa hwe ya obi hu a ne raba ho nti. No nti.
Mamu ni nyekwa na ho efesa.
Oh, na sentade ne de me wogu ho.
Okay.
Nti akwamu de me nti mami nse matade no. Ana me wogu ho. Tisane ti amemu ni de nkayi.
Chairman Ernest Kwekweji, mention of second vice chairman for NPP, Ashanti Region. Chairman Baba.
Ah, we so make.
Bako de.
Na me adum na so e.
Odi adum bako.
Good.
Mu nyina no mo Newsmax ye locally made ni bia.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I say utiwiase a ade ye no o memu no. Also u patronize it na dwumadi na ekoso. Nti ye pa say me free na ekoro no na me use up me say ya di betwem kura na sala be use. Okay. Because you're very good. I'm proud of that. Say a little lando down kwa me ne biri mu no. COVID-19 ba ye timi ay innovation a che say enya so timi pempam nose mask and also bo me sika bank crofo boto the negative aba and the positive so ay dey aba to who leader na so di ma no so na bibi ba no timi e hye di penkran e mo me innovative a e che say nipa no do ma ni we nipa o say e boda ba so ye hye ni nkran
And the Minister of Information a press briefing. Yes. Yare no said ye isi ko hunkunto gomo di aba. Say so far 2,790.
Yes.
And Ghana for yare ni bi aka omo and then 18 and at one free one 294 and what in ato omo. So far because yare no ehun komo ne kofoma na.
Yo Mickey, ya sha say die mame chia ohwefo na me mo production team abaso ni edwumawura. Yes. Na one kasa so dwuma pa mo bo and na me monitor right from the beginning to the end. In fact, many so na managing so edu amudi na eso mo saba abaso body. J commander me chia wo.
Ndi so ni
ye mention of adehye. Chia wo mu nyina na me chia osikon mention of bonfire say police station executives be na dum abranti na ho brase ene me fanse ni semu a emre na do ya wo ye no e kire sese ye bomodi ni ma akosiko adu ye to aba ne mana mention of e be fa no tuma pe fra ti be sere o mu say omo nwa me no na afei ɛyɛ MPP party regional chairman events MPP wura ɛwɔ Asante region na me chair regional minister na bedi akyire teacher unions for MPP agenda 47 yɛkyia wɔn alidu asɔre mampo ɛnɛ sepa ɔno nso yɛkyia no yɛbɔ mpa yɛ sɛ nyame yɛ adom ɛba bɛyɛ adwumaden ɛde aboa ama ɛhɔ seat no yɛagye de aba MPP na ɛyɛ information minister ɛnɛ press briefing ɔmo yɛyɛ no before Mickey me follow kaka no mani gye na de mani gye yɛ koraa no yɛ sɛ on se tem bia yɛka so moma language na yɛde communicate no yɛ use akan language of which I mean say health minister kasa wiye no was sad ba akan ɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu the serious point no okay ka ɛkyerɛ yɛ kwa fa so asɛ bɛ ya obi biara ɔwɔ Ghana ma mu ha biara no at least yɛ want table of kora betimi atini me bia yɛ bobɔ so no so na sɛnea yɛ kana so ohwɛ mu a ɔmo ma recover ɛyɛ 200 and something
294
yes ma me fa kwanya we so na yɛ mbɔ frontliners all hospital workers the media the donor partners ɔmo boa individuals yɛ mo ma baso na yɛ dɔm ase na yɛ mo ɔbampani ne na panfofo nso abaso Ghana fo nyina yɛ da mo ase na so tie ya mo ni yɛ di yɛ no ahweye is very important. Em say wo kura wo kan wo start say papa ne kan say so on po apeso oku a wo de nke besrew asoleti ho ne wu man fa me fry asema papa ne kan ne mu odu yi emu odu pa wo say Ghana for yitie ne ye de ebobra na beboa yi in a sense si etimi efa measures na de atoto no ho a wonua ene be ma yade na ayede aba fam because looking at they say 200 and some almost 2719 oh yeah 120 something thousand tests but so hwe mu a metimi aka say Ebenezer nyakopon ye di ni yi so hwe the rate see other countries near hana metimi aka say the rate ni wo fem but ye fa measures no enye adwuma na mra fem yi right
me da say Jake
Minia
yare no ho nkomo
yo maminchi ahwefo ne yenda o ma say anwumre na minchi menua chairman amene ne wo ha na minchia me colleague baako ane Kofi Abo aben ane ya ne birthday temi gusu hira nyankopon hirama no na Kwame Ajanda ono so ya MPP communication team member o tafo ono so ane ya ne birthday tema minchia ono so na minchia former president John Mahama na minchia NDC fo nyina so obia wagibra ohweye
Renya chairman
obia ya executive say obia ho tie chia obia na michia mpapa alaji sana
so onche
konsema chia wa me say regional chairman omo nyina omo wo ho so obisa nso omo wo ho na me so omo me no obia ni asa me de me party ne nte so odi o na ma chia man chia no Honorable Council so amankwa MP ba kwa watuma bo adwuma ma ne akwa ya wo ho nyina no ka ne na so yo tama ne ye kwa ye so woni na ammo no obodo afa ye be ye o muti aban na ye sa na wi ase ne ti o nti bomb party de chama ka ye no o mu bi tumi na o mu koto aba na chama akwa beto ama no emi ba u bi sa chama ya sembi afa no suma se na ye yusu na chama kaso yare ne ba ya nya o mampanyi a watime aboa ma no suma se aba nti telefone na pam we no amankofo onye sika egu buto ni kure wum tele ni bie no ha opam ade we ya sika ko ne buto tele anne yare nti obi an sha atare nkoba bia obi empi nkoba bia nti telefone na omu bere pa we na bibiri pam nti nye sika ne ko buto o ma lusu jobs bibiri tu oni ma de konti a wo nshi bi o hia o se nyina ya kasa ne ye bere we ni nya papa sabi yanka ne kure abana mwa so hwe the official one na nurses ni use no obi use no obi ehye de otime kasa otime ye bia so obeka ne kura obi etime use enu na yesa abana produce so de wontime en produce ya fa ne say complete one na permatilia ne bibra so ati ase ni yampam no bi enya bi nso o mo so ma wo do bi ama companies bi
5 companies
so ati ase but the can say de bi o wo do ma no 5 company wonu bi de o bi so bi a hye bi aya e bi ana ne hu nipa bi ya nurse ni ana wa kwanya bi wo ba bi ato bi yenya bi
me say de ma companies ni de o mo de ma front line workers
enti da bi say yes nko mo nyina o mo ma ya bi enti na o mo share ya tu ya fu say ye nyina ye nhye bi so ati ase enti se we mu de ba bo wa ba so a na ya na me wo program no we so ya ba so body ya say yare aba obi lose the job na we 2 cedi ne 5 cedi no wo so wa man ni pa nya sika gu mutu obi ntele ni an na ko telephone mo hweme obi a na adwuma ya mpam yanko ba bia because ni pen ko ba bia ni pa kwa nya sika nto aduane ndi nti me de ameka ni say o man panyin yanka nkyere ni say o man panyin produce ade no o produce na obi enya bi how ti ya bona abaso say ya na ode ye ko nde ba bia yare na akoduru say information minister abaka ni oh me wo problem oh MPP amemunu and me no ka say nipa 80 ewu yare na increase e ko 2794 19 ye tia ye say aye ya ade meba
with other countries
misika omo ye ni say so hwa America ni Italy tama ba ho ye de ni nyemburu ho meka tama yare ni du wa Ghana month dudu ayanya no so do compare America ni Italy ye nyemburu sa month do
you record here on the 12th of March and the first
sa tome na America for ni na be de ho
by the most ka say yare ni si country ni mu a said ye amanfo a omo say yare na ha omo no etimi cost no tentem no enye sana tie
ekopa ene na be tie na me wura ho because ni petre 3000 mu see enko ni wa ye lockdown na ye 130 people ye lockdown 3 weeks no ene yare na ko be 3000 ye say enko ye lockdown na ni pe 2 ene na ewu so baka ya na ye 2 ene ni pe 18 na ewu ye say ense de enko na ye de ho compare abrofo no mu bi na sanche o difference na wo mu ni say omu wo niema so what you say nti ye die ni die se ye ka se si die omu die no e ba ka se gidigidi no se bi na tu ya wa ha enke ye nyina ebewu nti o mampanyi ni e ba ekoso no enko yie on se niema we nyina o mo ka onim se still doctors ni nurses ni complain se niema ya so omu use do ade bo mo ba omu nya bi so ti nyame na meka Mariam fanche ndi so ayame na meka
last week me nya information I said
anu ya
baby mo ha omonsa
anu ya buna afo ami se we manfo you know hospitals ni omu ba ka anu ya omu so omu nya bi nso de bi o maka chance ya boy ho ba ni ni o mas unim se ade bi eni ho ade betimi da prevent yare ni se no sumas ni sa eniema ya de ba boy ho ba kekeke munama na mu kasa na mu semra ana obi enhye bi ayampa ba ni obi ya na wuska otimi tobi
with 1 Ghana cedi
no obi o mas mi nyimba bi e free die ni e ba bi e free me background die ba endini obi ntimi nto ni de metima tobi ama mi busuafo ba mi ba bi e free a obi ntimi nto enti se mi ti so obi so 1 cedi 50 pesos kramas obi ntimi nto nwa ka ne kura ni ko ka so a ni se ye politics nti se ya mi wuri de ye nya
me say former attorney chief justice so for Yakufu so no na eye the
one down
chairperson enche omo de bi at PPs at the command some of the health facilities and then sikano donations ni guswa eba why don't we give them some time
yeah me make time yeah me time me no mas ni pewu o si ye mo mo time si sikani de bebe bia ye mfanto de bebe bia ye nyusu ye di gu wata maybe ya re ni ntwen ni pa eti ewu kwa ne ekoso mo se ye ntwen ba mo bi se question so mo bi se question ni ye mu bi koka mo say your politics ya mi ni de o ma we mi ye nya
okay Jake na say Jake ena motin nka ha Kumawood television CDP jumadi ya de bro juada 4:30 ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 pm o hwe wo screen no ani a obehu se WhatsApp line no wo ho omode anefa na afi ne fo adwenche no efa so fabra manamra ntem no nyamre enkenkan emfa ema 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 pomodia na efre fa message efa so na nya mra kenkan entumi emfa ema chairman well ma mensa na oho enra Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia ne some of the two dwa no na appropriate forum I was a kasa asem na
yo Mickey medase na me so bebusa o se John Dramani Mahama asem a o kan ye no
okay ma me kwa homa no so bra na me National Deputy Communication Director for the NPP Nana Yao Prepon abena na putting kobo na na tie nka nyumre ya mo adwoba kuma television so na tie nka na tie nka mo adwoba kuma TV. Okay, I think that we are facing some challenges because na yasan nana akoto chana brema mi
yo Mickey asemo Dr. Baumia ebe kai the right forum and the kai onye mfumso bia na sabi so ye president former president ya to aba amount because of a country necessary at this particular time we are in a normal time we in a difficult time nese uko jina baby eko kase Ghana yesi kase
okay mara say saka nana ya preko National Deputy Communication Director for NDP nana tie nkan mo adwo nyumiri
obane me jo so betonka
mi sa radio adum bi aboko
yanko pa adum boko pa boni bi eni ha na mo so
radio adum yanso ho ye fa nana koma ye die anyumiri nsem a enra the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia, Edituga. Nana, Edika, you saw. And someone, when you be say, can you know, via or can, no, a one also come.
Nebato, she should be a mammy.
That's it, 10 years of us. And someone, my benefit to the response of Ghana Benin, that dama hammer. Baby, or some, a one also come.
Kafua efe voice no wachi kakra mame.
Oh, okay. Now what me kan?
Afa me te won kaya, afa ye.
Me bisa se, eno ma banya ka say some of the food ga. Efa do so and after COVID-19 no. Baby o jira kan asem no ba na so kana na.
So that's it. Me chewa ti phobia. Me wo ba tu phobia no be jina ka sa asem no. Ya sha ya corona won sensem ba yi so wa ya impress ya de ya manyosem. All we have sought to do is to make sure that you don't run your mind around the fight against COVID-19. We are the same way we need to when your man yourself now so we are not gonna perform din after the day. Now yes, so class and cancer but I young corona in the and cough. Maybe I got an answer the man yourself. Ayo mampani ya kufuata chate kwa Ghana kwa kasa udina podi machi oya ba ko miru miensa e maidi muna kan shin ko ti na kufuata tunani huda mama anso atiesi ono so de podi machi na the flag asi chi ma mo na mo da ko wan African way obese bibi African aka Nigeria ponta bi osisi onse and tomato impu ko ba no akoma mon tomato de space a se o so bi na podi mo fi be ya kuku ado se le se sabe se kokura man fere se ebeto imu awon so fere so dia ta wa betare so o ria ne ho abehye be ma Ghana po hu ni ba ko pe so ria ne ho be ria sa corona fight mu no e na etasi etrim we omon ti bi ase omo se yakoka se crisis Dr. Mahmoud Baumia yakoka se dimso crisis na dimso crisis we need the crisis change dimso except that maybe they don't understand what a crisis is so who crisis situation, who do something who say a crisis, unless they come to tell us that this is their definition of crisis, and so you will say, you are more than saying it here. Already, that's not on my muha. And you are not also, who may take, system, and I don't know what I said. Your corona situation in we. Why not find President the Buffalo to be any more? Not first from the Ghana for a kilo a year. Samahama saw a caviar or naturally, we are doing so to Ghana for in fear 9 in the kilo. We're getting measures paid or implementing it. One way is we're getting measures yet the sufferance of the people of Ghana. I want to come and tell us. That is what essentially Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is asking for. Yeah, someone know, but I didn't really have the puppet, so TV show, and you can join in a party radio, so you can listen for the party with TV show. I have to post it. Okay, I don't know, we have the and I'm one with it. You put out their best foot forward. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has a mapupa, everybody's out of his school. To come in. Obedi atemu so be fun so be dey o say simple e be adu so to yi no na how man say your here kire say o de Ghana for at least another benchmark e kire say o kire na me nfa sa ma say the Ghana say na nsa na say amanye be to yan kwa na so so kwa Ghana
na consistently ọmọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ Ghana for you komo bia no a asema wo kan say e ma ye nfa dia be enya ma no say why should we lose focus as a government?
You lose focus as a government. Obviously, you lose focus as a government. President Akufo-Addo now hold the enemy akosano. President Akufo-Addo now address you nyina se Ghana for. Enti, ye trip ayawa wa yeho. Otofo, sabi anyama no sem. Ena na wo ken. Even I am not interested in corona before I found a man myself. Muhammad Tia was up here at Kanawaka. We know never do know. Muhammad Asabi, opening to open between two of the but somehow what can't be doing. And I said, let's have it here. Muhammad says, hospitals are no water for you know, all hospitals are what's in your mouth. You get the interest in 2008. Now, for the young man, and now about 3 years preceding that, or next to Makuya, you get the interest. I think it's a home. So, we make it 9 hospitals. Now, Ghana. If you say to come out, if you say April 2008, and I you get the English signed the memorandum of understanding. It's signed in the memorandum of understanding finally. So what you have to implement the project, it's about the country office for Ghana. That is staff, that's fucking staff, the Ghanaian staff, and they can show me implement project. I'm going to be April 2008. October and November in 2008. And they have final approval from Parliament and Cabinet. That's a project where we would implement in your mind. For December 2008, Ghana 40 answer. If you didn't open your Mahamane, we are not a woman that be concerned. So now President Kofi also back to April 2008. And some I feel that I'm not implementing projects, you know. Now Mahama is running this. Some opposition on it President Mills. What are you telling me? But the opposition now is running this, you know. Something with the fire, NBC news level. But you say, what you hospital for Ghana for? We now be a come and what too. Many people in America kata. NDC ni like na NPP ni NDC. But you know what the thing that for what part? What project ya me say 1%. One kasa trying to do so like Patrick.
Hello? Hello? Well, hello? Finally, dear one penny, I beg you, Obeja to say, I diverted the attention of education, not Ghana for a year to any year, you will TV so, anyone already so. Now, you listen, I diverted, I mean now, help of politics.
On diversity attention, go for your policy. Show what the man address Ghana. President Okasa, President, they address Ghana. No, Jack Corona wants a million come out here. No one to go to the chair. And then now what diversity in attention. Oh, yeah, I'm not saying. Dr. Mabudu Baumia say, no credit need to so that come out your own kind of credit. On train, yeah, but doing so high, you know. I didn't see the surface of Daniel. Yes, the Ghana, you photographs of if I now saw a doctor wanted that to say, you know, patients, so we're not, of the force, that's what I have to patients in the show. Now, it was all over social media. Which way?
Now,
yes, the Ghana,
I see, and repair if I sign what was. Yes,
what of it?
Now, I see, everybody see, and repair some what was. No TV that's a
Watch it, let us see. That's what I will see for us.
Nana Yauprekon, Deputy National Communication Officer for the NPP. I think the director for the NPP, and I'm not saying so the timing was not wrong, and then even the statement, no, I direct attention for one penny Kasa, the best country NBC. Chairman,
yo, Mickey, Tisana American, a seminar on my penny, Abedi, Yokokan, for a by frame. Yeah, read the genesis of this. A crack of 19 by our president, and then a pound for Gusua. Yeah, somewhere, and this in Penny for high. I see look at Yana start here. Say, a lockdown, no, and an Alco or yet, no, they have reggae elections. And Yama, or Mujan, a dear more yet, they have reggae elections, or Ghana. And in answer, Anna John Dramani Mahama, former president. Ebe Jina Edwaso. Ebe ka say, ya akontabo ewo ho. Me no mienu yeti yi. COVID-19 e bada ben. Ya ko akoduru sen. Ana sabio ya fa ye akan setting kase. Se asem si no bi wufie. Ni ye kwa brebe ni bu akonta. Ye bu akonta wa ba ye na wie.
But o tia na to say
o tia be na so se de.
Onyema yi na da chi bi ho an kwachiro.
Ono ka wa mu akonta.
O tia na so se sen. Sabi wunia. Ye se na da ko for the kai se ono ba be so Ghana fu. Wa ma be pesika. So tia se it is all your president. Former president, statesman. And sabi the taxpayers money twa oka. Na se asem ya to man. Na wo de asem ya babeka bia no eya asem mo di buni pana bani asem mo person mo di gani ya fa propriety na ya propaganda na mo twetwa Ghana fo so ana mo kan na wo respect say at this moment na go dina ho the whole world obi anim say every country economy no akrepo e wo fem enema say da ko yesa na go drop ka say ye me kan say Ghana fo say Ghana economy nya na bo to kire say ye be yi wa no a wo so wonti ase NDC every for them akopempani for sorry na radio so social media top and down be bia e di papa na tem na ka so be kan no kwa bia na aboa e na sere na point yi ai wan hwe
na ba mu akura vice president his excellency o chiwie mu na ka o chiwie na kran kotoy
Mickey be na say na sese so wa ni obi atem aso be kan ye no so won chiri no kra na be hu sa no kan ye no e how but so no kra no kan ye no asem o kan ye no masa di asem a John Dramani Mahama kan e ti so ko pe ku be ni apɛ ku pe tu adwe e ti na we pro man no
mesa ba ho na afi ya be yes specific niema be na mo ma ya mususu se eboro NDC de so a e ma mudina be mudina Jake
Romania
say internal matters dum so na oman Ghana haya intern
ayo me da se mate de o question wa se wa bisanti ate MPP omu wa aban na omu opposition ana two me san bi say Dr. Bamia we ya me mfa me ban ku school nduru ba bia wa duru no because me we aho oni ba de kontia we ya vice president o baby o gina ka sam na MPP for say jo ma na ye politics ntinye me boa inti Ghana for ka cha Ghana for so mu nim nya say ji so be respondent and Ghana for won say obi ye politics ine ka wani tume na Ghana for twina so yi ti good say o ye politics into we win ye politics wo de win ye politics o ba wo ba be kirem inti ka wani tume na Ghana for won say papa yara ba no ye politics me yo bisa ya pre ko question bi ba me na kan sen ka wo kai first nipa o ye politics ya president ma ayi Nana Akufo-Addo so ba kai ya ni first address no say ni second address na first address wo ka say Ghana yesi kasam so ba kai ma ya ka che ni say obi o baba ba address ayi no o say yesi kasam ni de obetu oba ya ni nye so ba kai ni first address or address Ghana for o say obetu ani nye ba sese de watimi de yesi kasam na agina ba bi papa ama ya kasa e ba pe oba ye politics ala so ba kai yare ho asem enu abi na esi enura enu o makohia be bia mo hwe yare ni kosoro nipa o ma o munya yare ni kwa na kosoro nipa 18 wu na mo kotena asese mo plan no u ko no wa tro former president Mahama enema o kai u ko yi no de America as president Mahama wonimi de o ba kai a mbora ba Ghana eba Africa no eba Africa no president Nana Akufo-Addo kache president Mahama said tio anu ko ani enya ma yempunu no o se president Mahama nim no mamora ba kuro we ma na obi wu a yesu no what is president Mahama responded because official Nana Akufo-Addo will write so kira na adwene because o ya Ghana ni o wa busuan for Ghana so ati ase ne party for into so kache so bo aye ditu na se onsan boya hu ba ya ohun se ya bo nti de o yeso o ya ni se o ba focus no be mi kiso se sidie ya kache na se ya ditu na se onsan hwe no wa manipa ba akukura o manipa ba akuwu a woni ya be so mu no o se president Mahama ya yi anu because o sebi o ye obi a onim dia o ye ba ye hwe mu ene we nyina ya discuss ni kwase ya discuss because atembi obeka bia ya say eni kwase o kabi because onye nkasi na Nana Akufo-Addo anya ade bia ndende o ya politics
ba say internal
me ba ka be siso me ka be siso sebi me chama yusu word bi o si tisi ku beni de o yusu obube adwi o di ni pankwa ekwampe emeji obi a wasu ade ebru bebi woduru ni pankwa ni pa yare o di kwampe energy o ni say energy ya pakwa ya nye o pa obetima twa akọ 10 years wunye ya bibiensi ba ni pankwa aba vice president we mu ne hwe so no we mu ne die so no wo kwotena wa so de obetima ya no ya vice president official obetina akonya ne so o transfer president Mahama ba kasa no baba be yi ano wada so ye ni campaign president Mahama kasa dia ne na komehye ba de bi obegu so akasa dia ma president Mahama kasa asem aya me ya se media for no muntwe MPP for adwene nkoso enya president Mahama na edikanka finance minister so ba kai a okọ parliament akọpelo no ena okọ kan no se si dia yare no amanga na sikasam no se be si kwa so gisi 3 years time wanka oye se tweni mi bi se okosi eteni me bo ati mu fo so me so wo kan na wanka nti so kan we na president Mahama so be fo ade so a ana ye ntro no
president Mahama say
o si
MPP amanyuko no na propaganda
ana ye true because o no say tie onu be ka kire so Dr. Bamia na o ka say o be ka kire so John Mahama eti akonwa Ghana fo ye ko problem awiase nyina cha se Ghana ye ntimi nya hwe John Mahama sika na etimi hwe 2 weeks tiro ba omu ba mu na nam se ade pa o ma ye ni nti ye sika ni timi hwe 3 months tiro obi a hwe de antie ni ye wosi wo adwuma wo ye no busu a adwuma ni tua oka kuma wuti bu fo tua oka wo de hwe wo ye no ma ado ka che o mso sisi ano ba bia ma ye adwuma na koduru no si kuma wuda ntua me car 3 months a metima survive after the 2 weeks 1 month o si na bi miniska me de bo akohoma ana pese mama si papa we ne baka che so yesika sam de waye ni yie ana wodi 1 month pe ne di mirika ko wa bange ko pe busin tio which one pesca one will be say a question will be say
not the basis in
the basis in say yare ni see you no I see yes can you kutia ntini scam ho so be kaya o be ka finance minister call ya na scam o mi kan say o mi ka say o mi ti na bi ni ho ta fe no mu ko pesca into parliament man akwai no ko pesca ni scam wo ya sa no kai ame ye no kai
but so na affect
na mi it be kind so say there na we see you will scandal they will do 2 weeks no
ma komra ma many national youth organizer for the NDC George Okare Ado engodi komo enra obani ko tire nka e mo ade ba ko television
yeah me amini abe mama akobe brain wa ba John ni mo pa
fache ere atoto bibia kama odaro ma mi se NDC amani ko bia ho ye tutu mabu no.
Hello, I can hardly hear you. That's what
you say. Me did say any someone you go. Obi ahun ye tutu ene mabu.
Na me adom obi ahun ye. Na me adom obi ahun ye.
En koma ye di okuma television eye enra response the vice president Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ede bae efa ensebi agana bani dada Mahama ekaye. What ye what be most be young say
the kind of media with you for 8 years and what you did so more so what they have message in na ne ma obia yiko intently na ma emete yera Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wakwa koye o my Kenya be change no sabi na wo sake ni TV e papa akonya tesema so nti eya okasa eya meeting sabi many plano na in the last few years sabi the elected people ba ya o the body ya na na me na mention the area no vice president my expenses economic management there the sabi panama ka obema ni apo na odi eno etikuma na sabi I want to be amagana for enya so unfortunately for Mahmoud Bawumia will reduce the office of vice president you won't be you decided on your work your time you could say you may respond to me because then over one person claim now a year legal tender yes guy would be that's what the Ghana have against me now that is the kind of value and next Bawumia kasa Ghana for any so and now okasa you know social media now we share response to Ghana for every man. It is not worth our time because there were crisis more. You face the pandemic. Our pandemic, you know, in fact, some people be here every year to do. You know, we are yama and platform we now so a capra here in Pono. It defeats the purpose and then it gives questioning the reason behind why Mahmoud Bawumia is reducing it to that level. The platform could also was a public platform where stakeholders are here not monitoring COVID-19 but unfortunately he chose to do their naming the oil. Many are then President Mama Facebook Live along the line and I Ghana for in this question in a response to a question and before President Mama even responded no finance minister the ground I admission Ghana economy no it will take 3 years after the near recover post-COVID. The economy is very robust, very resilient. Now it will take for so many years after I recover after COVID. Clearly now the economy I want ICU. So President Mohammed's response was a response to a questioner who be interested in the Facebook Live and say, what is the situation of the economy after post-COVID? Now, based on their finance minister act, so it will take us 3 years. But then it means that the economy was not as robust as we were told. But rather the economy not called by one government. Dumso was called by successive governments. Yes, we are from India in 2005. Emmanuel Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, deputy governor, I facing Dumso. Almost a software, in the Kuku Agoso Motambe, in 2013, after the Mama facing Dumso, you cannot build a terminal plant over a year. It took him 3 years, and in 3 years, he added over 2,000 megawatts, close to 4,000 megawatts. And after the Mama, and the Ghana, electricity home. And then Ghana, just solving Dumso, you will not have to endure Dumso again. If you know, when your vice president, or the best economist Ghana has ever known. Now, and then you $1 and you to 6 cities. Now, and no, now your economy, your Kinky Party celebrating there. We have gotten off the IMF. Your America, 3 weeks into COVID, the America call IMF for a country 100 million first, and then country 1 billion, and then save vice president. Any opportunity, no other Ghana for, no customer a person, never promoting, and never Ghana for any Nidasomi, ever COVID one. Chooses to put extra politics. Now, somebody said the data, your car data, internet data here after the students for area with the data you survey. The quiet in the Jones mean to know. I thought that also is going to talk about. What data? The data is about bread and butter. In 2016, now your topic was saying, and the petrol was saying, in 2016, now employment rate is saying, and the unemployment rate is saying. Those are the basic things. If you remember the Mestre, if there are other important national issues like COVID, now you better discuss it. But we are there, if you said it. Why is there you want to talk about it? A legal center, we should not waste our time discussing Mahmoud Bawumia.
Specific, we are not can say. We are Dumso air crisis, COVID-19 air crisis. NDC, Enka, Adia Bakwa, Dumso Baya Ghana for Kamu here, Muya de Boa Ghana for a relief package to business.
And they can say, and you're ignorant. And you're ignorant. I come on with Mr. Question. The reason is very simple. Dumso the COVID-19, and you're comparing oranges to mangoes. And I Dumso Baya and Dumso crisis, no. There is something in economics called opportunity cost. The opportunity cost of reliever, you never Ghana for, and the same as we do so after more. Now you come with you, and as I speak to you, you are reaching to so after more. One of the things they and this gas power plant, one 12 now, and then Ghana produces on the gas, you depend on West Oregon gas pipeline if you want. The other one, a bridge power project now, and then you pick up everybody to the eating corridor, and whatever. So that it can power and nothing and because of that investment now, and your direct care demand, but then the president government of Ghana, absorb electricity because infrastructure no, like a power need no more, I can't never absorb electricity.
Okay.
So you see, there are so many. If you are who you keep, now you keep this analysis, you will not do it. Okay. And over the years, Bawumia exposing is the necessity on economic talk and out there. There is an opportunity cost to everything. It is a president mama, by using directly, and also Dumso. And then, because Dumso has been solved for the next 10-15 years, and then you have a capacity and Canberra, you were more than enough. You will excess capacity and very solving industry problem. And once you have excess capacity, you can produce at a lower cost. And once you are producing at a lower cost, that indirectly, in a sense, because electricity prices becomes cheaper. Because today we produce our own gas, we don't have to buy gas at exorbitant prices from the West African gas pipeline project. It is clearly, we need to APR or analytical enough. And as a doctor, APR or I just can't understand. But you see, the media has a responsibility. Never here wasting time on Mahmoud Bawumia. COVID is devastating. Many who can say over 3,000 Ghanaians infected. That is what we should be focusing our attention on. Not that Mahmoud Bawumia, we're losing irrelevance.
George, you're not seeing no television, so
Okay. George Opariado, National Youth Organizer for the Opposition NDC, and I'm telling you, young correct say one yare no chiwom eni my Ghana from the Ghana Health Service on the website no 2,719 and yare no be chiwom for the channel ebra enyamre enkin kama WhatsApp line 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 for the by enyamre ya kenkan e dia ma yemfa seda emfama Anolin Royal Enterprise almost in the yakonya naba e dia ma oye obi a wate asori ananyum tuoku bi ananyum makuo bi wabie sport bi pop bi hotel bi na open machine da kuku ho etumi e de abo nyom atonum ama manfo ni agye a brom ho ometumi abo pa titru ene asori no mo de mo ba enhye ho ono ben seye na moke na kra ko kumse mitimi etwebe bo no so e wo fom pa enti ebiti se ebia combo e na open microphones set of drums e na open se auto amplifiers speakers ni na no Anolin Royal Enterprise we bi etumi e de ama wo kumase e na wo na so bia wo bia no wo to nsa e de frɛ no a ono be din kombo e wo se ne ma na kwa de faka ono de buka mu e de brew e wo inchi ewo na vrumbo bebia no obebo made na watumi e de abrama niama no so no we original set of instruments na oton ewo no akachi kumase kono adombo junction ho na obehu Anolin Royal Enterprise over friend 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 offer no abayo so na afetimi nemo edimo amesa nko Jake
nti se dia na me kana na me yuto anaza aba kana se papa wo fi ye de ajapade ahye wonsa wo so obi tina ba bi ka se why see wo se wo de wonya politics ho na me wo program no musi munya politics na de o mahama mu na ye politics adenti ne media for da bia mu wo mistake no mu complain dia wa ma respond mo na de o mahama de o ba because mu fi so no ne ba contest mo ntia me boa eni nka mu nya ma Ghana for no nti de kan se dota ba mi wa buruso school na wa kono on fe ndi djuma ba mi enye mi wa da bia me ka se abrabo ya bo no wi so mas so gutafie nyansa 70% na school nyansa 30 abrabo bia o bo bia yi ba so ye wa bi no guta school nyansa 70 na fie nyansa 30 u ka uye bibia yi because de bia o ye mistakes because adkonti ya kan se ase u kan ne ba bibire fa do ma ama ho kebi ka bi editu mi na hye wonsa yo ma ba kasa wo se mani nkabi no no bi ba wo fi se wo ka bi tire ni sa so wan fiu no ye me ba
o se ba so ma bele da mahama se economy no isi
enyo obi na ka yo awon na me wo problem wo media for na
on bele da mahama are
obi ne
Wareko what the finance minister said
and
he said
he
said the economy is in critical condition. And now, on no can say, under this economy, no, omo ya fine.
But me tell say,
workers are.
Maybe, say some now can mean tiase. Intina, your finance minister ni nim so omo ya fine. Ye tua ka se kan obaka say, ye sika sam no problem. Inti me no ye program no bia bi so question sisi a. No ka say, be si dia, your finance minister na kai ya ni dia. Ya wa classes a bolu be na waye okotu na me minuto anaza ka okotu no se je o hele suka so no sa na ono no kae ntinka o kan nka o etise na me ka so ji na da ntina wo yesi ka se bibi a o ka se nyina chama na uyi ya wan to aso oh ende etise na mu yusu patapa anko a mu ja patapa no munja patapa no nti de me ka de se enye wono anye ka mu ana mu ka se sisie yesika sam no Ghana yesika sam no just 3 years de ohwe mu sika so a wo ya o mampanyi ni nua enye do ma ama ne ka e nti o ya de no obi bisa ne sa ko no so se the finance minister ne ka e ne de aya sa ne tie se ya sa dia and because o de we yesika to nti ni yunu bo na o ka ya Dr. Mania vice president die yia Ghana fo wu Ghana fo yare ne koso Ghana fo adwuma egu because of yare ne nti fa nsama ye kama e betimi ya boa ma yare na akọ na Ghana fo anye kwa ye adwuma na ekomo edi Ghana fo no ne ya be wosi jo ma ba ko kase wa ko fa finance minister ti jo ma ba odi dum so e compare ni pankwa president kache ese wo se ni pankwa de untimi nje ba ba si ye hye o man de obetimi aye Indiana ntuna woni dum so compare ni pankwa
Merci.
Ni pe wona adabia ma o mama minsi
Master Kadia Banomen kind for now. We as what chai odi ifri Libya kofi. Was it or kan Emma Mampenia ability and Tiasia pa. Say already Ramani Mahama Ghana Mampenia ability and I say Dr. Baumia able to me a few one day and as watching competition now you know a good competition until on to Nabi.
Look yeah
We'll say okay, Kofi messages now. Okay, we say Mampanila da John Ramani Mahamo Bekasa. Ibola buy no modern pa I said him na kama.
Ebe mo se nya no kore.
Bi end me amemo.
Mo nu na buase.
Omampani abene tibet nya kasa bekasa but enya dey say eba ko sikiri. Nya brofo na di bu mai. Onye dey wo so ye na mai no entumi enkosto. Era wo di na ka ho. Na yetumi mu ya odi efri eba we know say even doom so kura no NPP also put us in doom so before I say before kwa dey doom so mo pe nye NDC kwa nti NPP fo nya dey omo e kan na so ye nya tie we say nana e maximum support pa so with me a fight COVID-19 ya no nti ina kan mu na yetimi fight yare no na nya de Omampani da Mahama de kan ye montu no kra Kelvin o de fisunyane e no de aba no so e de no o say President John Dramani Mahama confused man won ti de won kra se won ti ase kra o kan kan azu hu ni under his administration no ene man ko yi o so won timi manage power crisis no kra yi eni Omampani o ti so e ya ne man no yi ni ya afina o kan de o se o kan eni kwa so ye sakra wonya Omampani imu omai no fresh 04 ono so de ode aba eno no wasiwe samai my surprise pa na mete Ghana Mampani be de chese mo kan no comparing yare pa to dum so sama na pa no ya ni sa mon kan je se yo no enso ya ni bi ja ya onyai Kofi Mensa wasi ode free Mfantiman municipal ena ode aba Kofi so de no we say o chere wi nemu o kapa Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia ni tissue no ene water coronavirus no we dey say water coronavirus ene the sound virus no me say o cheda hu so sa ti no ye no na Ghana na so pa na o mama pendada John Dramani Mahama enya na so bi ono so e de o de aba no ame ko chama o me ba be san e de messages na kana chama
yeah
nti specifics ana mo pese mo kan comparing free senior high school infrastructures are senior high schools nursing junior allowance any other day and na mo pese mo dey compare yare yana
Mikre ye fa sande mo we and compare na bi wi ajeki kasa waga se Akufo-Addo se Ebola eba Ghana imusa John Dramani
o se obi wu a eba na se obi wu a
o kan contest where buyer omo ko je where Africa Cup e dia ba na country a onua omo ma qualify wo so ewom na omo re make his statement thought ya say hwe ma make us mo nchiro se John Dramani Mahama so akofa sa asem we ma at this COVID time enka vice president umina no enka hwe e was hard no because president dikaka but do be you pia wadwene say eye say me communicator kan do be you wadwene pia say obeye we bring it president down pay sympathy any public eye wonyam ana wonam so na woye hwe ba make us am chiro wo see compare hwe dum so so asma na woka year 2012 John Dramani Mahama dum so year 4 September 2012 was say I have directed an interministerial committee chaired by the minister with immediate effect to ensure that your power supply are not unduly disrupted. So what you see now, John Dramani Mahama Corona was say power crisis, you know, is the act of God. 2030. Okay? Yeah, she wants also Masobo. Your friend say 2016. Ghanaian stayed in Dumso throughout 2016. November 22nd, 2016, Dumso, 2006, Dumso will be a thing of the past. President John Dramani Mahama. 4 years old, Dumso, I will not create it. John Dramani Mahama created Dumso too.
Sir.
Nearly Dumso. 2012, nearly Dumso. President Okufo, nearly Dumso. Now, plant is a plant, you know, and your toys. And your toy on top of toy. And the more must obey it, and the word toy. So, just here, and the this problem they buy. What can you do so? Missing one can do so, Munipa. Coco, what for it? Shall perform to generator do so, you know, Mickey wanted Ghana wanted. Say generator, and Musia go forward there. And you do so. Masa, you never call Ghana now. You young for that or Ghana. Share the Yaye. Pandemic, but the Yaye. And you want him? And when the manager, Younger Industries, Chesike got to Togo, Edema Industries, and you free say, pay just for the 19 effect. Chesika the Togo, say, oh, Pia, no more assessing. Share financial affairs saying, arrangement had your mom, so what the capital banga. You need banks nakasa. See more time.
But I tell you, Mr. Jodiaba, or say, I'm penning a PhD, a PhD. Now, Oshanwa, the comparison now in C. Now, some called day COVID-19, a compare Ebola. And I'm mentioning I was saying, and Nipano Kasaya, Ebola, and we never Ebola, then well, why they're just African countries. I can look at John Mahama, President Okufo and Kasa, and Kofari. Why? Continue African cup because on Tafre. Why? Come for one in on. Why? So just here. Why? And the Kofa, your friends, and what's on the baby come once. Why? John Mahama, you COVID-19. And no Kobu's economy was it. COVID-19, what does it want to do with economy? We are statement. What does it want to do with economy? Answer one. What's the other or compare events? COVID-19 as against what? Do so. Massa. We are politicians. You're young for that. But the timing also, is it right? And I'm saying, timing is right. So, response, COVID-19 response team, no. And here politicians. We have medical doctors. We have civil society organizations. Yes. We have others. Yes. It will be able to Kasam.
What's your politician?
Yes, sir. To you.
And I'm saying, I hate a bomb. Well, Kasam or Kai, I don't know many Mahama, media, you know, I said, Brand or Kai. Wasn't it about the economy?
Into so decided.
Well, what you also went and what carry. And was it not the money as a Mama, so okay. Now, response of anybody. What does it want? The Ministry
of Information and Ghana for the one can say and Kakumo Television, a bigger platform like this. Young fan can COVID-19 once I'm 3 years and come with Faswa. A bit me a home by free. Because of the statement, you are spending the whole period discussing this. You have said the whole period of discussing.
We have
communicated. You advising information minister. I become as a yes, sir. All this need educating yes, sir. But as some of Panama can, not can be expected to say, one better join the money, my former president, you went through. Well, a statesman, well, a statesman, and in Kaya Kuya, send you a very say, information minister, you not council to what you. That council can be more room on some, social distancing. Now, what about now to try and Pia 7? Tutua yampia the economy tutua yampia. One the president.
Masaba we say truly Nana Adamo Kufuor was show say o leader pa oboduma the way so no onyame ebeshira no. Na we say crisis mu die Mahama o wutimi fan compare Kufuor da. We say the Adam Barry Kintampo Zungu and Adam the free the by NCA Kintampo for na. Okay. We will say good evening, Sir Mike. Me show free Axim. Over my partner, me Asia Daniel. You are the free Axim. Abba, I don't know. Daniel, yeah, that's it. We will say me need Joe. Me if you go there and Eba. National organizer. What can say me na? Ede mami. Me come here dem create you. Nyame unsira no. But about me wafum kwan. Mo tuni sikum. Ono so the Abba eno. We say good evening. Midende Abdallah from Pristia. I say people don't bisa MPP ni no tikwana sebi. Bisa. One tier bisa. COVID-19 crisis no. I say better. I say dumsa crisis ana. Ana say there.
We do a bisa sampa.
And of course them can say President Airport no.
Nipa 18 lewu.
Because I see, who said company soprano. I just know near free. Company and free. Okay. Also, at the end of our day, and bra, or his near WhatsApp plan. So, I enter the first name and King Kind and Fire and my high Kumawood television. Young faster and Fama Cafe capsules. Cafe capsules. My country say, oh, your Belma, oh, your bar, who make me a 10. Now, what me a bar. Ehia papa na dro ba ko a na nanom agya tum no manom bia be sabri nso no eguso na ebo aga nafo e ma yare yakora e ba yi enkan bibire no nyina se bibidro ne de e ka fefe kasus ebusua e ma no e bia na pampan bi o wase e ya na su kite bi fi wase ba bu ana so wase kawo bu ne so ba pa na ne nsa ese na yase mbutwi a ma bi wo so kora no mo so no kum ehia mu a o mo ntide nyina no e yare ubenya ka fefe kasus bosome eson na se wayase no ewo na ojo ho anya unya bi no ma betumi abo pa mema no so ho ana so be ma no na ye ko ojo so na emu eyo ya usisi na ehawo ono yiri siamu a usiamu a duwa na age 2 minutes ba no untumi nko yare unya do betumi abo pa na dro ba ko a Food and Drugs Authority aja tum na ye kan fo dia ma ho ka fefe kasus eno na ebodin a na emofo wo fi nyina no ade se talala we can for e dia ma menu anu a mo senior high schools e ma no mayo anu awofo no mo fa na ko school no a mun tobi enfa enshop bag no mo fa nko no mo ko na menstrual pain chance a o mo no a etenete na e yafi wo ka fefe eduro no ba bia o man ga kwa benya bia to takwa wo za bido fie e ho kwa agzima benya bia to takra de oboase kumase ene nkanya no eduro no ebuso yihia ne so pedo pa atu a over from not 0207 183 819 0207 183 819 Fred na do mu no ontimi emfa emro aha Kumawood television jumadia ya to di sinupi na ya de bro shenenso se edwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. de biada na ya di jumadi etumi edi ebro o kasebi
won se yare baayi woti saa de ma ni nyina nka se obi atifi nti ya woni na bu ho a bi su chembi nti bi mi se memfa secondary school sa ma ha ma si yan compare adwe se me de bi be compare also tete na we see ya no because nipa nkwa enye chembi bia o wiase because se we yara untimi ya hwe so atiase nti jo ma na de o mu ka se wa kan bone no me gusu bisa nti ye fa ni se o mu finance minister so kan bone ana o kan bone ana o ka se ya this 3 years answer no ono o kan bone se ni de o mu jitum baba
se akwan o mu yi
na me ka se nti me bisa o se enye me na me ka o se asem na mu ko su bi ne ka ese mu bisa ne se nti vas enyi finance minister ni nim si yi kwa na o ka se ye sika sam ji 3 years answer na agina
bara wan ka se be se so kra
nti mahama so nka sɛ bɛsɛ obi na ebisa no kwase ɛna ose meba osisi deɛ finance minister kaa ya no sɛ yare de bɛ continue saa deɛ yɛ bɛ kɔ class sɛ wɔka nwɛ ya ni wumbo na waka enye nukura sisi ya no nkofo na yɛsiesie sika fi wɔ mo nkofo na ɛbɛkyɛ sika ɛna wɔwɔ ka sɛ aban na ɛwɛ nko antia yare ne ntama ne yare ne continue yɛsika ne bɛ yɛsika sa ne bɛ to nso obi ka nwɛ ya ayɛ wadi watam because odi bi ahyɛ wa ma o sisi yare na nko a die kwadie yɛsika sa ne bɛ to obi ka nwɛ ya ayɛ politics nti finance minister ka e ba de mi ka sɛ no kwadie nhia me
I'm quoting John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. This government has used a lot of propaganda saying the economy has been the best ever. Well, 1 month to COVID-19, the economy is in ICU.
I mean, I make a say, it's a mebo, it's a pacho. It's a pacho, and to what you who catch a daughter by me. Nay, who could use free baby buy. Senior was Kawu was Kawu. And then Obani Yada Oko Chama Koji says all in the course with it. Said common sense, back at the Oka. And for crime, who was Kawu fee? Obayari. What for 4 French chairman? The chairman, the money a rule, but we was come and the bag into 40 and money. Then from West Sabu, and only a debu man. He had dimly calculated bank a Kojiska. Obi in this Kaunu, I remember a man in a cover via Kojiska. Omina ko weba nkojiska abana kufina meba amana kufina nti ni course no omina ko weba nkojiska
I may not be able to prove
you be anything na make an you be ya obi ani tu na mi chiro ani no chomo eni mu ma nja kai
na wo kan mo person bisa
da bi obi say me dia question udi compare US
bungura no
o say
mi se mandu do sai togo ha ya omun ko jebi togo ye sikas ana wo se wonni
ana me say I cannot be able to prove say omuni na
ana mi su de bi
ka to say American so no
akọ jebi ana mi se na nka ba sam because ye sikas sam no ye si togo fo ye ya boy homodi nche togo fo nko jebi ko di vo nko jebi Nigeria fo nko jebi yesu na esi esenye kwa ye sikas sam no wo soro chance anko fo ni nyina enti se ma kan we ya musi nya politics ntina mo de moba enya politics mo be wi ni daachi eni nti eye de na ni be bibiri kasa fam se yare no enkoyie yesika sam no enkoyie a mumba yi ano eni va yi offense former president kasa dia enam susu se because of insama wo ka no musu se Ghana fo betie ni ntintie meyi na no musu mu de de mu do Ghana fo mu nya politics ha mas me be show bonne atia 3 weeks to 3 weeks 3 weeks time 2 to 3 weeks time obeyi lockdown afrim MPP for bakwa koye omo primaries no because no ma start akotro din so omo se omo do Ghana fo a me se ma se obo mate anekura me no omo panyini pa kasie aka akira me ne o se omo se enche omo de niam atutu kwan na o ka asem ni wiye no enna ni ba no so se ni pa asem na wo ka de NDC ni na ogina na wo ka asem no o se enti de e ka ni se aye tumi aye mudde se nka tumi nya mudda Ghana fo nyimi nyansa yamfa ne so jo ma ama akoka si yesi kasam no ba na mu ususu se enya no kura na yare ni do ni ma kuti ayare ne ni ja do ma hamai na Ghana fo nka so jo ma ama kura de o pa dede dodo so ati ase na waje ko yi anu uni do ahia omo mbeku ati a ugina wo ye politics menu omo a enko betura to ho eduru ye campaign yare ne ko ne campaign start uko jina campaign wa ni platform so no wo kekan we ni nyata doctor sa ahia doctors na wo kasa asem we ye kire omo de ye dey omo na NDC ba omutim MPP ba omutim so ati ase enti uko kasa asem we ka wo ka o si dia masua die koduru ni die si dia masua die koduru ni die minimu die no e kire me say doctor say kwaya mufo so etutu niema na yare ni kosoro no mimi so ma dwuni kakra na na me se ma ku school no ni so se nkamu ni fa ni say aye wo ko nyina wa do to jo ma ama obakwa akotwa abono eto okwo wa ntima nka hwiro wo ni se nsama mo so okwa kai me de ma no sin nsama mo so okwa kai okosia doctors na okwa kai mo tima ma ya mu ba ko nye de waka fa jo ma ama ni we kai It is a nice avenue.
Let us say, City Boy, Edifi, Italy, was NDC for Pew, on Pew, NPP, Nana Kufuado, and then Abai, Omberu Ghana for 30 years, and Sana Baba Muhammad, the Canadian, Munyaka, Ghana for Su,
the Canadian,
Emmanuel, Edia, the Eba, and so, and Emmanuel Ekazere was the first emotion in the near the pa. Na the Dempa, the MPP, Nino, and this will be defended Vice President Dr. Marugia. Was I Dempa Matamenes, Umusokra, and then Chilba, and also the Abba, and okay, Kofi Mensa, at the hour day Abba, Infantimai municipality, Kofi, the hour Kamasibe, comparison now, you know, and so you could Vice President one day. Say, a band if I say, or better, Kurasi, Sebi, Ayeduma. I like ni ho chen say obe nya yare na otinka ne mu bewu enti comparison no dey enso na dey to so bi kwa no o kai Ghana fu $100,000 no besi abon ne say dey dey ti usika ne say o disika na be dey ono so e dey ode aba eno okay you ma kan go dey no ka ha we say me the Richard me the message if you tap ka dey eba na your leaders not there, to be frank with you. And you can say, or more than you. And you may see, I mean, near the piano, your quick, Esa Mwa, present situation, and I hear, you know, now, or my no man to me and Cosso. I know so they are the Abano. We say, little donko, tick room, barrock, NPP rebel, and I'll do it. I say, I was there, would be a who said, and near my company that I John Ramani Mahama, a kind of yeah, you are I'm comporting Hokra, I can't say this Ghana Conscience now, right? My coach, I'm honest to my about 3 minutes now, men cooperative for so now, men performance.
And Timiki, say an American, say, Obi per se, or checking the part.
Oh, okay. Message you know.
This program.
Don't call. Tikrum Barrow. Mr. Donko. I say me can't share what I'm honest. What it is. Comfort me.
What's my name?
Because me enemy your gent to the far.
We see what about John Ramani Mahama. No, so from our president.
Oh, let's send them as they say we are. I won't go as one way can any day. So what is a better to make a commercial break? So how you come out? Television, and this one.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment.
From Kumawood Television, Sinupi, Mondays to Fridays, 4:30 to 6:30. Yasim Kunya, Chairman and Spokoji, Mensia, no second vice chairman for NPP in Ashanti region, Wofia, Sanso, and Ashanti regional communication team member for the NDC, Jake Azantoli, and also Ewaha. It was and someone, His Excellency the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bamia, Ekaya, Enra, Obra, Oyi, Belinda, John Dramani Mahama, and Biguswa Yedi and Combo. I didn't say no, Coswa Efabra, Enche, maybe I'm not to my friend, and so it's my venture. I said, say, oh, fra, na low TV set, no, am na Akasa, Elfun, na to me actual. I must have a crown there, and Ranafi, Yenaso, Richmond, Abuaji, or some Benny, yes, ma, a dear, I am for support, and Mark Benny, now going to me encourage my power, or no, so. We also had a free Aliu Mahama. Okay, was it or Chai now on Benny that John Dramani Mahama and Sama or Kano. Nanka you, Nanka Yapa, Nudi Jungle Fubi, Ajinano, to me at the SC money, right? Chairman, Remo, just a minute now.
Mickey, the American say, a young name one say, if you pan John Dramani Mahama small car, one day. A home Tansa Akobo Vice President. So what I say, said me can't say, one of your woman penny dada, or man what you should be penny. So what I say, Nase, and near my sea train, near Kamasem. Now what to me and send the panel, and once on continue, no one need and never so. Now they also put this number, nothing position I will pay what deep as a beyond your year. I still I will near bring home, and I said, be Ghana for. Na die be to atopra e mo ano so ti ase na woni ya mo ka ana Ghana ana ya fani say ya na akwaje bosia onu ya ti Ghana ha
tip na mo ka mo na mo se bosia e fo die ko ja e me masa mani tumi ko bi ana wo sisi mi sa
na afi no ya timi atonka on 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 webem na yetumi afao yaba free Libya also life na oka ama Ghana mabani yeme de tati say onim owu a wonhwe na pa say Ghana mabani Ali Mahama eyi ne free mu ono so no ahwe e na free right first caller good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Anu na ya free
Sabat Akopeni omecha papa no producers na mobile mapa. Ano ko video so ga samosa ko ne dana kofi asanto reta chama. Chana pa baraje na misha pa na chama zo chama. Kaka me kan se unze sebia mu bi ne ka che Ghana for se Dr. Bamia economy no ye no. Enye ne papa ma because ebra o mapani ko fo lusu ya Zimbabwe for the fa no ko Zimbabwe. Okoyo musika semno no mu good trouble so o meti akota no baako the same thing and Dr. Bami obi asori economist and no asemo beka ntini well and now help Dr. Bami abaya deputy kind of minister we banking sector so no Bami sia we pasa and now you can area wasam no people for sorry o me fa no amanyasam no musuji chechire no mo ya amanyasam o bi se nditi for clan ntum e se ye da ho ya beka stress and problem no the day baby I say no ya de ho jim ya amanyasam because ya want to send the one yare sa se bia ni chem di bia be bia no de ya ma yasam na ma ba o andi ti fo ma fa na ma sam no to ni ma se ne Ghana su de ba eno bia fa ni ni ne amanya sam na Ghana di bia ko so na trote ni so de to mo
ya se da krope na o te good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Musa Pantika, Mufa from Amina.
Hello.
Dum radio, TV no, Dum TV no na yente on kai wala roma. O fra na TV na na odi dum no pra, we are no asanso. Good. Yente o na be free.
Hello.
Obi na be free yente o.
Good evening.
Yete on ka me yente o. Na me abi ho ye ba.
Wow. Mukato mukuga na pe ni pati me baso kakra.
Yente o.
Na eni se Dr. Bawumia men kuna se. Anything bia no ase vice former President Babaka bia. Ko to wo ani bia na se vai na je ta ke no beta kita kana men ja se na wo ye me so o ye mo je. Da se ni pa ta ka na na ye ba so o so ta ke bi en we find it the book I said you are mine. I think it's a smart mother say no.
Yeah, that's it. Obani that's pa. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, you are free.
Hello.
Obani ya ton kan you free entio.
Hi, you got a free action
Action do ma entio.
I said no kana pesa ni kala ka.
Ko nini?
Piti kwa ye. Kama malasi ya abu ya moyo. Abu ya moyo. Dr. Bawumia. The capital say economy. Economy
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. We are free entio.
I think I come. Is our Mabamwe. I know I come. Bawumia na to come. I quite stand uncle for
Obani me kan say Ghana na be say correct.
O say asam na correct.
Asam na say okay. Mon fa chori pa. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello, good too bad. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We are free.
Yes, I come with friend of James to make a free central market.
And you should Mintio.
You made your money for Konya, so now, then Chia on our Dr. Samuel Sapon. A view will be an original chairman and not see any executive in Nigeria. The Diamond is Michiana. And Dr. Bawumia, as well, at the far covered me and Chia Abbey, now the Kototo, doing so of more day. But you don't know what you Oje wa kiasi ya ti ama ye ye yan ko wiye e be ba wo je ko to die o ma fe yi da de bi aso we bi a e problem die bi e de na wo de ko to ya ye fi ya e je ye ni na ye ko be 3000 e je si ti e be na 10000 e be na 2000 e be na 4000 o nya e je si na ye de o na ba wo na ko to di ama ya so we wi e fun e kire o pe se a month why very a two baby could have been PhD could have no not because what you have so and to say vice president can walk what me a fire the to pull out here when you money idea e to kania we are going to do
Yes, we now see. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Penny Mokode.
Already, me here. We didn't go free.
Your family say Swansea because free we say.
Good. Swansea meet you.
Mamicha Dr. Samuel Sapon na regional executive na Kwesidano na Reverend Joseph Amo parliamentary candidate Matima na me mo je kabaso open ni wodi ka interview di offer national deputy communication officer na the say unya poma ni nya abotre e chichi mu sabi no kasa te sesi yakola oni time na ya ma 30 seconds o bankasa ba mi wa ba na platform de brain so o kai no wo be kese o ka mu ma secretary to amo be kan rata sano mi ya ne pesa me kan se Ghana mampani na bedi eche Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia onya abotre esi se die du no se kase ye nya dia ma no semu a na wo ena wo so na ne dollar na so efidi anu kwa yen kai what I say enti e do ni o du ma onya abotre na brand so a ya ba address o kama what I say let us say
Swansea me so that say hello okay 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 aha Kumawood television jumadi no Snoopy Trufra na so Snoopy na Roland Channel aba amego Jake
nina we dey da bia ya fata am no ma ai mumbo dinti tide wa sure mumbo dinti ma ni o ma 2 minutes oh
hello good evening.
hello
Papa ni majo
Mr. Mark katika kama za programu
Oka sa friend Papa no so friend ntio
so tini radio
ma o TV no bolo no nkofom na yentio
hello
Papa ni yentio kasa
hello no
hello good evening
good evening
udine ba free yentio
hello
Papa ni yentio a function so say TV ni radio no difference wo o free TV a o be low TV set no na wakasa e wo phone na e tawa so kasa no mu o kasa e beto na wi a na wasa e be TV no hello good evening
hello
ni aba free yentio
ya kama kabla nkameka free hapo
kuku ura kwa mama za yentio
ni pasi ni kure ba ko pe MPP my council di children e wa mu ti die an ya kwa bana ma wo ba ta fa kan ba ko ni wa ba wo ma ya haye o ka tre en di vote ka ba ba chi wo ko chi wan zura o ka tre ta wan de ti wan de ba de ba ni wu he wo de kan fu ti chi en na ma no ka fa e do ha pe wan na o ba o ba yi ti wo le ya ti ni kan cities apart by you what did I want you to know what I know what I know
okay okay see hello good evening okay but me so Jake
ya minia dia me sire ni se Ghana for sidie na akufado baby wadru sidie o petumi ni minim dia o de tumi ni kwa akoye ba me kan kure na akire no heden ya adi bia be koso bia nipa bia Ghana ni bia wo ho kwanya wo right so o kire na adwene so o kire na adwene a wo so betima be yie no ba kan hu se apart from so wo be kire wa adwene no yare no anase Ghana anwo odi nyina hya wonsa ya pumudi hya wonsa ya bibia hya wonsa enti bibi koso no obi complain a jitum oh doctor say o se jo ma wo kana samu hwe niema sika wo se na wo de to niema ma hospital what is the bad president wa yini botum sika to bi wote wanti se wonu so yetua ne ka jo ma se yetua ne ka wo de ni sika
me so na 3 months
ayo president ne de ni 3 months awahi anu kura no sabio aye premso obi Ghana ji so ye adwuma wie asane atua woka sika waje oba 3 years ne kria waje etu onibi awo di bi beboa enti de ka tinde ka do ma se yetua ne ka tinde ka onu so be ka so yetua ne ka bozum bia nto onu so de ne 3 months beto ba nam so odwuni Ghana for o spend almost titisika de 5 billion na odi to niema ande me no ka se eniema kura mu ntimi nto hospitals doctor complain nurses complain and now wa question doctors wa question nurses kete o mu se me doctor ba mi anam se dia ba ba ni nti enema mu complain no emebua ma mwanya unya ose joma ama baba kasa na wodi sabi ami ya wa hwe ya obi mfa ne banko school nduru ba bia wa nduru because me wuni bi da bia ne ma oka no o sa ko chama
medase na ka me person ka mi na futu wo tu president Kofo no Akufo Addo Kofo an ko tu John Dramani ma
na woni ne ti akonya so
ono se
wani ti akonya
obi ni president da
enti se wo dibi enti na wutu nu funo
ono so kasa kro ka
enti na wutu nu funo ko wa dibi wa di president
dan ko Akufo Addo so ka
kasa no dɔɔso munja kasa no sisi ɔmo Ghana fo yɛ ti ewu nipa 2700 ayare munsa ayare
na esikasɛm no so no yakoso ayɛ hu
munyɛ hwee
Ghana etimi agina sɛ ne yɛ
scanner amugye yɛ ne ɛwan scanner amugye yɛ ne ɛwan scanner amukɔgye yɛ ne ɛwan scanner amugye no media for me bisa man bisa ne ko bisa na mu complain bis scanner why Ghana for complain ya mani ntwom ne no mu dis scanner le bi ye di ko tia yare no ye di ko tia yare no asama na wo kan ani mu nja power no mu de ye den u ko ye 10 years
Ghana for 80 ehye bi ato ho no mo hwe so obi di so
mu prove no smas ne maye
ya de no aba fem nose mask na so de omuguso
ade bi omuguso de bi omuguso
omu produce
anu tell for kura omu de sai
ene nya bi anya de e nwanwa
wa hwe
ti wonya me kwae say production almost starting so no content na aba na
mu start ya cho chama mu start production ya cho
Azantino regional communication team member for the NDC and then obekan ho e ma yesilupi sanso e na Ernest Kwaku eji mention second vice chairman for the NPP and so by Emma Yetimi ACP. Yedisi ha nyame ya adom a ochina 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Yebisia na afi no Yetimi ACP adwene oman no eho. Meaning the Michael Nana Adomakon obefrɛ me say Mike me production team among boy eba dwumadi the ba oni awodo so no DOP Kobe Frank, VTR no Augustina Ansan, MCR Loretta, Sansona production manager, and Ochinozo, the one, the whole Ghana.
Ochinozo,
PR, Bernard Ade, the champion man, director Nagasa, Samuel Kwabna Dakon, aka Sam Dakus, Sanso, and Queen AG, and Afezo DJ Lofty, Nina Boye. Medjumedi no ebremo sheneso say ejumedi apart from say uhunu television so no ukọ Sam Dakus TV no no YouTube ho so no obetimi abebia live enso ewo nyame sha na onka until say besia nyame admo tena enumre 4:30 to 6:30 no hwe ho ye na ebo mo ba yakra.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi